What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I finally got the tires in. I ordered for the OBS and for the new wheel setup. I'm not probably gonna film none of me taking them over there, getting them mounted and whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the tires I chose. And obviously you guys know that like I said, I'm gonna be putting these racestars on the OBS, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera here, show you what I got. Alright, so I ended up going with obviously you guys know in the previous video I said I was going with 17s in the front and 15s in the rear. The front, I just got a cheaper tire, nothing special. It's Ironman. It's a 235/50 17. Now the rears was a whole different story. Got some drag radials. These are Mickey Thompson's, and they are a 295/50 515. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, load the wheels up on my truck, take them to the tire shop, and have them mounted, see how it looks, and yeah, go from there. So stay tuned. Alright, so loaded up the wheels and tires, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to the tire shop. Like I said, I'm not gonna record them or the guys or whoever's gonna do the tires and wheels. I'm just gonna probably film after or once they're mounted. So we got the fronts, the rears, racestars, rear tires and fronts, and also new valve stems for the wheels, so make sure I don't forget those. And yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and head out that way now, and yeah, go from there. I'll like I said, I'll continue filming or continue with the video once they're mounted, and then I'm probably gonna end up mounting them on the truck too, and probably wash the truck. But yeah, it's been sitting here for a while, and yeah, so stay tuned. Well, guys, we made it back. Now it's a little warm and actually windy, as you can tell, and you can probably hear it in the camera. But yeah, I got the wheels and tires mounted, and I only put one side on the truck just to check it out and see how it looks, but I think it looks pretty sick. Now I'm just going to show you the other two wheels here. I just do have to clean them up because obviously tire shop using some soap or whatever to mount these on. So this is one of the rears, you can tell. And yeah, man, these things look pretty sick. And that's one of the fronts right there. Also have to clean that up, but I ended up installing one side, and this thing looks killer. I'm sorry, like I said, it's pretty hot and I have my fan going on. It's probably what you hear, but yeah, man, this thing's pretty dope. This thing, it is pretty close up here, and I might have to trim a little bit right in the inside of here. As you can tell, it's super close, and I'm sure if this thing squats down a bit, it's definitely gonna rub right in here. But I do have a little bit more room to cut, which I will do that before I even drive this. And yeah, man, this thing looks pretty sick. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's killer now. Now, I just want to remind you guys, the rear does sit a little lower than the front, and I don't know if you guys think it looks pretty good that way, or should I raise the back an inch and lower the front an inch, or just leave the rear and lower the front. But man, this thing looks pretty good. Super happy how it turned out, especially with the 17x7s up front, and obviously the 15s x10s in the rear. I'll probably pull the truck out later to wash it, as it's been sitting in my garage for a while. You can tell it's been collecting dust. Now, in the previous video, the harness was out and it's still completely out. I haven't had time to do it myself, so I ended up taking it to somebody else to actually loom the harness and take care of it, because I have so much stuff going on. I'm building that 5.3 for a customer. I gotta start putting that all together, as I have everything. I gotta finish the heads, which the heads are over there, and take those to the machine shop. But yeah, in between that, I am gonna be working on my orange truck. I think it's time to get it ready to drive the thing, because it's been sitting here so long. And like I said, you can tell it's been collecting dust, and it does not have a harness in there now. So I need to basically clean it all up. So there's even dust down here. Some spider webs a little bit. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way this looks. And yeah, man, this is pretty dope. So once again, these are 17x7, and the tire is a 235 50 17 in the fronts. The rears are 15s x10s, and the tire size is a 295 55 15. Now they are drag radials, Mickey Thompson tires, excuse me. And yeah, I'll probably be spraying the drums, as they're all rusted. Probably paint them black or something, because they actually look like they're almost matching the color of the truck there. But yeah, super happy how it looks. I think it turned out great going this route. Like I said, I like the other wheels they had on there, but I want to take this truck to the track and see what it does. It's a NA 6.0 flat top bottom end, ported 243 heads by me, BTR stage 4 cam, NBS or Trailblazer SS intake manifold. Right now it does have a 4L60E. I'm sure it's going to break at some point. And it does have a 9-inch Roadrunner converter in it that was rebuilt by Jake's. I think he's up in Texas or something like that. He builds some sick ass transmissions and converters and whatnot, 80s, turbo 400s, you name it. But anyhow, yeah, man, I think it turned out great. Like I said, probably this afternoon I'll push the truck out, because it doesn't run obviously right now, no harness. And I'm gonna probably wash it and clean all this junk out of here, because I hate seeing my truck like this. But you know, getting these wheels on there, it's like more motivation for me to hurry up and get this truck done and drive it and whatnot. But man, that thing looks sick. So stay tuned here for the next video, or continuing on this video I should say, when I pull it out here, probably later this afternoon like I said, or if not maybe tomorrow. And probably just wash it and, you know, make it look good. So alright guys, so it's been a while, and today I'm going to actually continue with the video. I left off with the OBS, and I have not recorded anything else. And the only last video we uploaded was when we were at Leland's house. And yeah, so I'm going to continue on this. Yes, it's been a month, sorry about that. and I've just been super busy. It's been super hot out here in Arizona. The heat's no joke. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the video where I left it off, or from there on, I mean, and yeah. But I'm gonna hand the camera over to my son, and he's gonna be recording me. So last time I left off by, we were putting the wheels on the truck, and we got the front and rears. And the other thing on here was that I did not even have the harness, or I had pulled the harness out. As you can tell, the harness is in. I had to actually take some of it apart because some of the wires were not reaching properly to where they needed to be, but I'm figuring it out now. Also, I have a new starter here, which my old one gave out. Now I don't know if the problem is with the starters that I've gotten, have bad luck with them or what, but trying to figure this out. The only other thing too is right here, the wire that runs from the truck or the battery to the starter, the little loop broke off. So other than that, I have to run a new wire to it and get this fixed, mount this up, and fire it up. I do have a few other wires I have to hook up, but I mean, other than that, I'm looking to hopefully fire it up here this weekend. It's been sitting for a while, and I been putting it off for quite some time, and I think I'm ready to get it going. As basically this just sits here in my garage, and yeah, but like I mentioned, the wheels were on, and the only other thing I've been doing was I ended up putting the 5.3 together, the one that I had taken out to the machine shop, and now it has cam in it, flat top pistons, new milling oil pump. We're gonna do head studs. And then also today, actually, I've been working on finishing porting the heads. There's still rough cut on these. These are the 243s that are going to go on that 5.3. And I'm going to have them milled as well. But I still need to clean up all the ports, make them look all good and shiny, and take all the deeper imperfections out. But yeah, they're coming along. I went through these again a little bit, and I also knocked down a little bit of the spark plug bump. As you can tell here on this one, there's quite a bit sticking up. It's recommended to at least, you know, smooth them down, which that's what I did on this one. But anyhow, the OBS, hopefully I can get it running here this Sunday and take it out for a spin. I know, yes, it needs a tune still. I've been putting this off for quite a while, and it's my fault. You know, I've been busy with a lot of other people's projects, and I've been putting my truck off to the side to help everybody else out. So yeah, the only other thing that is new around here is I got this 6L80 that's gonna go to my white truck. Yes, it has a 4L80 right now, but I'm not too happy with the first gear. Way too long, and even though it's been running great, hasn't broke down or nothing, my intentions were to swap the 6L80 into the truck before I even did the 4L80. But anyhow, that's going to be probably another video with that, my white truck. But yeah, I mostly got all the harness in. To the cab here is all there. This is all the AC stuff that I'm gonna save once I run AC, because yes, I am gonna eventually run AC on here. The only other thing I had to do to the harness was undo this side, because this side was not reaching back. Now I got the connector to the neutral safety switch, the speed sensor, and the plug that goes into the transmission is hooked up. The O2 sensor on that side is hooked up. I just need to get the O2 sensor on this side hooked up. Like I said, run the starter wire all the way down from the battery, and check all the fluids. I'm sure everything's still good, and fire it up. So like I said, it's been a while. I haven't really came up with any more videos, and it's just been super busy that I just been doing many other things. My work schedule's changed, and the last couple weekends I had to work 6 days straight, so I didn't have much time to do like pretty much anything around here. So, but anyhow, I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging, and you know, just we're still around. We're still going to be putting more content out there, maybe more projects. I know Leland's going to start on his truck, the single cab, and we're going to have a video up on that here the next few days, hopefully, and yeah, go from there. Like I said, I apologize, haven't posted in a while or made any videos, and yeah, so thanks for all the new subscribers out there. Thank you guys for the support, and thanks for hanging in there for us, and yeah, man, we'll keep making more videos and go on with it. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.